Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please don't leave without subscribing. Subscribing is free of charge. For those who are family, thank you always for supporting me, for watching my videos. Thumbs up and the comments, I really appreciate. They means a lot to me. If they have taken my channel this far. For my new subscribers, welcome so much and feel at home. So in today's video guys, I want to share with you some of the snacks that I'm making for my kids. So today I'm making the Oreo Truffles. So guys, welcome and enjoy. So the ingredients that I have Oreo, melted white chocolate, dark chocolate, and creamy cheese. So what I'll do, I need to remove the cream from the Oreos. You just take your Oreos and remove the cream. This cream, you can add it here in the creamy cheese just to make them sweet. So you can mix it here with the cream cheese. After removing the cream, I'll take my Oreos and I'll crush them. I think my bowl is too shallow. I needed a deeper bowl. After I'm done with crushing my Oreo, I'll take it and transfer it to this bowl. Then if you have a food processor, you can process your Oreo in there. I'll take my creamy cheese and I'll mix there. This is the cream cheese and cream from the Oreo biscuit. So we are going to mix them. So what I'll do, my hands are clean. Let me do the dirty work with my hands. They are clean. So I'll mix them. So here I am. So what I'll do next, I'll take my Oreos and form small balls, round balls. After forming the balls, here they are. I'm going to put them in the fridge for 30 minutes, and then after 30 minutes I'll remove them so that we go to the next step. See you after 30 minutes guys. After 30 minutes, my Oreo Truffles, the balls that I kept in the freezer, are ready. Here they are. So what I'll do, I'll take this. I have white chocolate and the brown chocolate. This one I already added coconut oil. I'll add coconut oil in the white chocolate. This one is to make it a little bit more smoothie for me to dip the chocolate balls. Not chocolate, the Oreo balls. And to make it easier for the coating of the balls. So here we are. So what I'll do, I'll be taking my Oreo balls, I'll dip it inside. I need an extra plate. And then I'll coat it. I'm using my fork to coat. dip it inside there. I believe it's much easier to pick it with a fork. If you have there's something that's used. You can place baking paper on the plate to avoid them from sticking. I forgot to do so. I finish coating your truffles, I'll put them back into the fridge and I'll see you after 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, our Oreo truffles are ready. Here they are. So guys, you see them? This is some of the snacks that I'm making for my kids to let them enjoy here at home. So I'll have a bite. You can see from the inside. Just a minute. So guys, that was it for the video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification button so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much guys, and God bless you.